Want to use green screen footage in CapCut PC? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove the green background and replace it with your own video, step by step. First, click Import and select both your green screen footage and the background video you want to use. Then, click Open to bring them into your project. Now drag the background video onto the timeline first. Next, drag your green screen footage onto the layer above it. Trim any extra parts if needed. Now click to select the green screen clip, then go to the right-hand panel. First, click on Remove Background. After that, scroll down and find Chroma Key. Click to enable Chroma Key, then use the color picker to select the green part of your footage. You'll see the green disappear instantly. If you still notice green edges, just increase the intensity until they're gone. And that's it. You've successfully removed the green screen in CapCut PC. If this was helpful, give the video a like. If you've got questions, drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.